Hi everyone, and welcome to our webinar today, where we're going to be talking about a very topical and important issue, and that is patient safety. We're currently living through a very sensitive and difficult time, which is the coronavirus pandemic, and we've had some emails and calls and text messages from prospective customers as well as current customers who've been asking us to put a video together so that they can share with their consumers about why SkinPen is the safest microneedling device in the market. And Heidi, on that note, if you can share with the audience the SkinPen safety elements and what SkinPen has done to achieve its standards.
Hi, yep, I've got my SkinPen here.
Excellent.
Just wanted to talk to you really about the different standards that it has achieved. The first one is that it is the first pen to get the FDA clearance as a medical microneedling device. So Bella Medical is very proud of this achievement. And I just want to remind you that the FDA clearance isn't just for the safety of the pen, which is obviously paramount and most important, but it also does test lots of different things. It tests the duration of the battery, the motor, it tests how sharp the needles stay, how long they stay sharp for, but ultimately it also tests the results. Does it actually do what they claim it does? So quite in-depth clinical trials were provided, and through these clinical trials they were able to prove that yes, it absolutely does what they claim. Part of these trials, they're able to prove 400% more collagen after a course of 3 treatments. So a lot of evidence available to prove that not only is the pen safe, but it's also effective and gets results. Other standards the SkinPen has achieved has the ISO. So this is the quality assurance from the international standards and compliance. So it has its ISO certification. It also has its CE mark, which is for a medical grade device, and it has its BSI, which is the British Kitemark, which is a quality assurance of standards, and it's able to test devices that are to be sold in the UK where safety is paramount. So it's achieved the highest standards for quality and for safety across the board, basically. So it has, I believe, one of certainly the first device, but currently one of the only devices that has this highest standard across the board, proving its safety and its efficacy.
Thank you, Heidi. And I think it's also important to highlight that the FDA clearance that SkinPen Precision went through was, it took over 3 years to get the clearance with hundreds and thousands of pounds of investment. It wasn't something which was done overnight. And something that Bella Medical, who are the founders of SkinPen Precision, who are now owned by Crown Aesthetics over in Dallas in Texas, it certainly has got the highest standards. And I think also it's important to highlight that SkinPen was one of the pioneers of product innovation due to the technology that the device offers, which as a result gives the SkinPen its safety element. And I know it's something very, very important to you when you certainly decided to purchase for your own clinic.
Yeah, absolutely. Originally I was working with another device, which at the time I believed was of a very high standard, and I hadn't realised the risk of cross-contamination involved. So once I was enlightened and I moved to the right side, I'm very happy now, and I have the peace of mind that when my patients come back to my clinic after the restrictions are opened up, that I will be able to offer them safe treatments with no risk of cross-contamination from any bloodborne bacteria, and they know that I offer this highest standard available.
Yeah, brilliant. Heidi, thank you so much.
Welcome. Hey guys, don't forget, SkinPen Precision is the best decision for a safe incision.
Thank you. Bye.
Bye.